Okay, so check this out. This is the new Vizio 2021. And when we manufacture the NoTech TV, all the circuitry will be removable. And we'll be able to send a replacement part. And the key is the slide rails, top and bottom. And this connector right here is capable of transferring the fastest data, which is used by gaming machines. Bada boom, bada bing. So you can change out all the circuitry, or if this board goes bad, the power and the main board are all combined. It's just that easy. Just NoTech TV will have a couple thumb screws. Pull the board out, put the bad board down, take your new board that we send you, slide it in. Oops. You're done. Plug it in. Which I shall demonstrate. And start watching TV again. Or me in the reflection. There you go. Been a long day. Kick back. Watch some TV. Where's the home button? Smart casting. Yeah, Vizio is pretty cool. It's got apps galore on these things. You name it, it's on there. Anyhow, so I just finished building NoTech TV Prototype 2.0. Man, all I need is this stupid pandemic to be over, and it's going to be time to cash in. We're probably going to build some TVs, sell a bunch of them, get them out there, get people using them, get people loving them. Once in a while they'll break, we'll send them apart. But, a couple days, they won't even miss a beat. And I'm looking forward to 2021. Come on. Happy New Year's.